I'd like to take this time to do a quick review on this product called Fasting Tonic by Young Plus Longevity. Fasting Tonic is a powder made with glucomannan and a handful of different nutrients in it, such as creatine, chromium, magnesium, sodium, vitamin D, and it is basically calorie-free. There's like 10 calories per serving, which really isn't going to have that much of an impact on a fast if you're looking to do fasting. The way you use it is, say you're doing a 16 or 18-hour fast and hour 14 comes and you're starting to get ravenous. If you want to extend your fast, you take this, you put it into a cup or a shaker, you stir it or you blend it and shake it up and you slam it down and drink it, all of it. And what happens is it expands in your stomach and it creates a sense of fullness on basically no calories at all. This is very quintessential when you're doing fasting. Because there's all these other nutrients in it, such as the creatine, it also will help you maintain lean muscle mass. So if you're doing workouts in a fasted state and you get done working out and you still want to fast for a little bit longer, you can have this stuff right here and it's going to help you. It's going to be beneficial in that aspect. If you're looking to just reduce the amount of food that you're eating and you're following a regular eating schedule, 3 meals a day or more, you can have this before your meals and it'll expand in your stomach and it'll cause you to eat less because you're going to be less hungry going into your meals. Now, what I have found is this curbs my appetite personally for about 2 hours, and it's like clockwork. I've done it a few times, and after the 2-hour mark, I start to get really hungry again. So I'm not saying that's gonna work that way for everyone. You may take this and you may stabilize your appetite for 5 hours longer or so on. I'm very active. I work out 3 hours a day plus usually, especially in the summertime, and there are these days where I do 2 workouts or 3 workouts in one day, and I wanna do at least the first 2 workouts fasted, and I'll only eat 1 meal a day. This works perfect in that little gap between the 2 workouts to stabilize my appetite if I am feeling hungry, and my workout performance doesn't even get blemished. I can go on like a rock star, and I love the feeling of not having anything in my stomach because I don't like food and water sloshing around in my gut. That's one of the secrets to fasting and fitness combined together. So, also the thing I like about this is it's all natural. There's no artificial colors or flavors or sweeteners. It's sweetened with stevia. This is a passion fruit orange flavor. It's very delicious. It kind of tastes like orange Kool-Aid. It reminds me of the old days when I was a little kid. And overall, I would highly suggest the product. Don't think that it's going to cause your appetite to be stabilized for many, many hours in a row. Just think in the terms of like 2 to 5 hours maybe, and something really good in an intermittent fasting protocol or to cut your calories down when you're eating regular meals, okay? Young Plus Longevity, 2 thumbs up for me. Until next time, this is Kevin David Rail reporting live. Make sure to like and share my videos and please subscribe to my page.